Okay, so we are the Comrade Cooperative, and the first and most important thing, we are not a company. We are actually a cooperatively owned legal entity established in Bulgaria in 2017. And our mission is to build an organization of the future. Organization of the future that's helping humanity deal with the technologies of the future. There is a major event on our doorsteps, the technological singularity. It's the event when generally available AI will basically outperform human intelligence in almost all tasks. And this event will bring both major challenges and major opportunities. We often joke that our mission is actually to save the world by helping it steer in the right direction on this major event. So far so good. We have won a number of prestigious awards, and we also have about 400,000 euro funding from big technological companies and also major blockchain projects like Eternity, which were also our first investor. Thank you, guys. And this funding goes to our two projects, Witonomy and Cynet. The first project, Cynet, is dealing with the cause of singularity. And we are not hoping to stop it because technological progress cannot be stopped. We are just aiming to make it open and inclusive rather than proprietary and elitarian. So Cynet is a decentralized network that incentivizes miner nodes to provide computing power for AutoML algorithms. These algorithms, they require a huge amount of computing power, but they might prove to be the last invention of Homo sapiens. Because basically these algorithms are an automation of the automation. So Europe is Europe needs to ensure its competitiveness and its technological independence from the US and China. And we are proud to announce that Comrade is part of the Bulgarian consortium that's applying to establish one of the European AI Centers for Excellence in Sofia. These centers, they will work on moonshot projects like Cynet that will give competitive advantage to the European Union. And our second project, Witonomy, is dealing with the side effects of the singularity. New jobs are constantly created, but at one point when the artificial intelligence and automation is surpassing humans in virtually every task, things will change. And it's not that humans will do nothing, but the whole notion of paid labor will become obsolete and need to be rethinked. So if we are not working for each other, we can still keep working with each other in organizations that are autonomous, organizations that are owned by everybody and nobody. And that's exactly what we are doing with Witonomy. It's the framework for creating decentralized autonomous organizations as autonomous reward systems. We have based this framework on our experience in running an autonomous organizations, but this can also be applied in any traditional company for fundraising and employee engagement. We are also working with Network Society Lab. It's a very interesting organization. They are working directly with the Maltese government to establish a legal framework in Malta that will basically define DAOs as legal entities, and they will be continuously funded DAOs. They have adopted our idea to frame the relationship between the DAO and its collaborators as debt. So basically, all Witonomy-based organizations will be naturally synced with new legislation in Malta. And basically, that was good news for all the projects in the Starfleet Accelerator in Malta. They can all benefit from this new legislation. And we are also planning to register SPVs for our projects in Malta so we can do continuous funding. So, we cannot save the world without education. Our last and very interesting project is something that we are collaborating with the President of Bulgaria, Rumen Radev. He is leading the effort on building and establishing a center, educational center in Sofia, where kids can learn digital skills through individualized learning experiences and hands-on workshops. So this collaboration between the business and education is a very important part of the project. That's why in this center we'll have also offices and an incubator for Witonomy-based virtual companies. This project is supported by the Qatar Foundation and personally by the Emir of Qatar. We have also the support of the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences, and this will become the home of the Bulgarian national teams in Science Olympiads. The Comrades' role in this project is to make the whole center self-sustainable and operationally autonomous with smart contracts that will basically do self-leased offices. So all the offices will be self-leased. We'll have also transparent and democratic budget allocation system and an open bounty network. So we cannot save the world with a project that's local. That's why all the work, all the designs, architecture plans, and software for this project will be open source, so we can, so this project can be freely replicated all around the world. And finally, I can show you a quick demo, like a quick video presentation of how the center will look like. Okay, it's done. It's the end of the video. So yeah, thank you.